your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Before going to video, I want to just show you the things where you can see the bunches of collections in the trolley, all the mixed purchase of these varieties. There is silk saree, rapier saree, brocade saree, mirror work saree. There is a kids collections, women underwear garments, all these suit materials, many more collections you can see over here. We have, this is the variety, and here one of the dupatta customer, and here one of the customers are purchasing over here only the boutique varieties of 2-piece, 3-piece concept. So friends, today I am not going to take you to the ready-made women apparels, but in the ready-made segment, the sarees matching collections. Last time we have seen the many functional wear, party wear blouses. Today I am going to show you the mixed varieties of the blouses, which is only brocade designer blouses. If we talk about this brocade blouses, the starting price is ready-made 85, and the material, if I talk about 25 rupees, and if I talk about material and the ready-made blouse, brocade blouse, highest price is 300 only in Kesaria. So if you are into matching collections, if you are a tailoring business woman where you are running your own home-based business, you can purchase these varieties, the materials also. Subscribe the channel, there's a bell icon, just click it, and you can also have these varieties of this materials, which is a bundle. Okay, this is a sarees inskirts material also. You will get a roller. These kind of collections, the home-based business, especially the ladies, you can buy the material, you can add the material cost, you can add the stitching cost also. So when you come to a business, when you are purchasing a sarees and the matching varieties, you should see a manufacturer where a bulk quantity. Example, here there is lot of bulk quantity of this collections. Here you can see the bulk quantity of the collections of the only customized order of blue color, navy blue color, royal blue color. And here you can see the all cotton materials. And here you can see the ready-made inskirts of cotton, polyester, synthetic, lightweight and thick cotton materials. And here in the base you can see over here there is a inskirts materials, plain blouses, all this falls, all things you can purchase. So this is what you have to buy with a manufacturer. So let's see some samples over here, which starts from 81 rupees. The material and the brocade blouses, ready-made blouses are 85 rupees. And if I talk about the highest price is 300 rupees. Let's see the new arrivals of the samples. The beautiful pattern of the parrot green, the green color, golden matte butta work has been done, and here you can see the fancy tassels over here with beautiful, the piping work has been done over here. So even in the hands, even in the hip size and back side also, this is a golden. For the only butta work sarees, silk sarees, you can purchase these varieties of the collections. Okay, this is a every ready-made blouses you can see over here. I'll see if you want the glossy where is you have a jerkin work and the maroon color, the glossy silk sarees, you have a mild sequence work also on the hands. This is also one of the pattern. If you want the stylish designer cut of the beautiful sleeves, if you want sleeves, you can attach it. Removable cups, you can see it. For the embroidering work sarees, jerkin work sarees, you can buy these kind of patterns only for the sleeveless. If you want the crush based fabric, the beige color you have a golden stripes and the mild sequence work. With this you have a beautiful collections of this. In this also you can purchase these kind of varieties. If I talk about the next variety, the dark mustard color with the silver jerry, silver chunky, silver butta mixed work. Heavy concept of only silver jerry silk sarees, silver border sarees, silver cotton fancy sarees, linen cotton fancy sarees, Poonam printed sarees of silver border sarees also you can purchase all these varieties. So almost fancy sarees also you can do it. If you have a mirror work sarees, you want a designer stylish celebrity pattern, you have the back hook pattern, the bold mirror work with the sequence work, the tomato red color. In this also you can purchase all these collections. I have one more variety. Here is a very pretty of the creamish color or the golden border, Kerala sarees, Kerala golden, even half cream, white cream, dark golden. So matte golden only with the sequins and the wiring work, chemki work with the sleeves. You have a sleeves also, you can attach. These are just samples I've showed you. If I talk about the varieties of the brocade blouses materials, now we'll come to the brocade blouses of the materials. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the same pattern, I'm going to show you. This is a blouse BTT fabric Mastani collections. In this, I have only brownish color with brown shade work, brocade work. This is a pattern. I have a samples. I'll just show you. If you want the Rani color, this is a Rani color. This is a copper jerry with copper and sequence work. If I want to show you only the onion pinkish with multicolor embroidering saree for cotton sarees, you can see the mirror work and multicolor designer borders. If you want cream color for the golden copper sarees, this is also a collections of the all the 1 meter is the you have a materials. I have a bunches of these color charts. You have this also photocopy. You can see here. This is also you have a photocopy. So hope you have enjoyed these collections. So subscribe the channel quickly. You can buy around 20,000, 30,000. You can buy 1 lakh or up to invest. You can plan for boutique or home-based business. Quickly add into your business for this Shravan month, whereas come for people will look for new varieties and new collections. Enjoy this Shravan month. Make your customers happy. Next video we'll meet with new more collections, and keep supporting me. Let me in the comment box from which city, which country you're watching the video, and subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.